All right, what's going on, everybody? Got another product review for here. So this time we're going with the Govee RGBIC LED color spotlights. So the reason I got these, well, I was doing some web surfing, just because I was replacing some of these. I have these lights here from Lowe's, these landscape lights, and I was replacing some of them. And I'm like, oh man, maybe I'd try the these color ones, and they're a lot more expensive. So I ended up just replacing all these as is. These are about 20 some bucks a piece, and I went with a unit of like 4. My thought is I'm gonna put them somewhere up here along the waterfall coming down to the pond. And I have no idea what's in the box here. It's you can't tell if there's any wire. And I didn't even open it up yet, so this is authentic initial review. Just on the back of the box it says ground sticks, 4 lights, if you can see that, adapter, and a user manual. So yeah, that's all we have to go by. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here's what it looks like coming out of the box. We got some wire, but I'm not sure how much long, so you got to plug all plugs in, on off switch, and the stake. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do here is string it out down here in the pool deck, see how much length we have, so I know how I could set it up along the waterfall. All right, just measured it out. You got 40 feet of wire here to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and stage it up there. What I don't know at this point is if you turn it on, or if it's light censored where it comes on at nighttime or not. I don't know that yet, so we'll have to find that out. All right, so I'm halfway through the install. I have it plugged in there. The switch is in there. It's on, and as you plug them in, they light up white. So I got the first one and the second one right there, aim them towards the waterfall, trying to hide the wire underneath the rock. So gonna install 2 more now. Yes, I doubt that it's light sensitive or a timer. Maybe on the app, I don't know. We'll have to check, and then I'm curious on how we get the different colors out of them. All right, we'll keep on plugging away. All right, so I'm kind of stuck now, so back to the directions. It says download the Govee app, which I already have because I got string lights behind the tiki bar there, bounce to the music. So there's, probably can't see it, and it says make sure you're on Bluetooth, which I have. It says hit the plus button upper right hand corner, so I'm doing that, and search for H7066. There we go. I'm going to hit the add button. It says it's connecting. Device is pairing. Please short press the on off button. Done. All right, don't know exactly what I did. Went to get the Wi-Fi password, and then it just literally just started working, and the app started working. So I'm gonna hit next. It says use a slider to control your brightness. Timer. To the left of the brightness is the quick access slot. You can customize this slot for easy access. Tap define additional functions. Layout settings. Done. All right, so let's see the lights on there. Yep. I'm messing with the brightness now. This is the lowest. Let's see if it works. I'll change it to the highest. All right, so that's working. Let's change the color to red. There we go, it's working. All right, we're happy now. Let's see, is every light the same? Let's check that out. Yes. So I assume there's some type of setting in here. You could change each light if you want to. You could bounce them to the beat of the music if you want to. All right, so I'm gonna have to play around with the app, or you're gonna have to play around with the app. I did hit the random color icon, and now each light is a different color going up there, so that's pretty neat. The timer's kind of tricky. It's like you can either have it off or on. I don't know how to like turn it on at a certain hour and turn it off at a certain hour. I'll have to figure that out here yet, but yes, so far so good. I'll take another video here as night comes in. All right, so I think I figured out the timer on the app. So this is like one of the home screens that says timer right there. So you go ahead and hit the timer button, and then each one of these is one of the 4 lights. So just click on one. So it's a military time. I'm going to say turn it on at 2100 hours every day. Hit the check button and on. You can see it's 7 o'clock right now on my phone, and 1900 is 7 o'clock. That's why that one is on right now, and not the others. So yeah, I'm happy. That's the bare minimum. I want to be able to do a timer and figure out the colors. So pretty happy, pretty easy install, but we'll still try to get a picture here, and as the sun goes down a bit more. All right, folks, there you have it. So I wouldn't say I'm an expert. This is not a how-to. It's a product review. Easy to install. Maybe that takes a little bit to get the hang of. I'm still absolutely not an expert in it. Would I recommend them? Yep, so far they're pretty neat. Look at that nice colors on the plants there. Got random colors. This one's purple. Pick one off something. And another purple. I'll take it. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Alright, is there anything negative? I'd say I don't think there's an extender on the last one, so you're limited to 4 lights, but yeah, no big deal. You can just buy an outlet that has 2 outlets on it and hook another setup if you want to keep on going more than 4 lights. But feel free to comment down below if this is June 2025. If you want to comment, see if I still like them. A couple months from now, see if they're doing good. Maybe I'll do another review in a month or 2. Make sure everything's doing good. But hope you enjoyed it, and I recommend this product.